Hi guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at how to add formulas into your sheet here on Excel. Now if you are new here or if you found the video helpful, please give us a like and a comment down below, as it really helps the channel out with the algorithm. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so once we are here in our document and we'd like to insert a formula, all we need to do is click on the cell we'd like to insert the formula into, so aka the result of that formula. Go ahead to the very top and click on Home. Once we've done this, you want to go all across to the right hand side where you can see the option for auto sum. That's normally the default, but you want to click on the drop down. Once you've done this, we can see we have all these different formulas. So we have one for sum, one for average, count numbers, max, min, add, multiply, divide, and of course more functions. So we can go through, we can search for one that we'd like to use, so we can make our own, and you can see all the different ones here. And we can even insert just to see a preview. But say I want to use the sum function, all I need to do is click next, and then from here it'll ask me to insert these. Otherwise, like I said, you can just go here and just add it in. Hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.